It
facility.
was it was really wonderful because all this time I make the others go into Yoga Nidra. This time somebody had to put me into Yoga Nidra. So this was a really wonderful experience. It really took me to a very different world. And it was really soothing and calming. That's it.
Yoga Nidra is something that right now you might be feeling relaxing because it's a very
Mm.
soothing practice. But when the day passes, you will actually feel how productive you are, how nice you're feeling about your own self, how your body has relaxed so much, and all good things start happening into the body. Right now, your body might be giving you a lot of thank yous, you know. So I want you to appreciate that. I want you to, actually notice your body, how it's feeling. Actually, if you actually feel that, you will definitely get the urge of doing more and more relaxation. And the more you're relaxed, the more you're receptive, and the more you become productive, and you can do your best in life. क्योंकि अगर थके हुए रहेंगे तो काम ही क्या करेंगे ना? तो काम ही नहीं कर पाएंगे तो गोल्स क्या अचीव करेंगे? है ना? So thank you,
Thank you.
Sunita ji.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a wonderful session. Already feeling very, very relaxed. And I'm looking forward to, joining more of these kind of sessions.
Yes, I
Practice.
definitely did. It was a very calming session. Thank you.
I just manifested. I also want to do Yoga Nidra today. And there you were
Yeah.
at 11 o'clock. You sent that thing. I was so happy. I said, there I got it. I manifested and I got it. Actually, Beena ma'am, she teaches us manifestation, no? So I have learned so much from her from this manifestation. Like whatever I want, no, I just asked. I just wished after everybody was so calm and composed to the morning after the Yoga Nidra. I said, आज मुझे भी करना है. And then I was thinking शाम को तो मुझे कराना है क्लास में, but मुझे भी करना है, मैं कब करूं? And there you
See,
said.
all yoga teachers, we give sessions to others, but we don't get that benefit. तो जब भी हम करें, आप please आ जाओ, है ना? And otherwise also मेरे YouTube पे इतने सारे
Exactly.
free sessions हैं अभी, so you all can go relax at any time. Just go and check it out. Okay? It's not paid for. It's just everything is free. Go relax, ladies. That's what I really want all of you to relax and live a manifested life, your dream life. You can do it. ओके कि हम थकते हैं ना तो भी हमको काम करना है तो हम रिलैक्स होके काम करेंगे ना है ना we
I
also have the right to
Exactly.
live
Yeah.
living relaxed and manifesting our life is our birthright girls है ना okay
I
singing
actually know in that temple when that sanctuary you said no anything. I visualize myself in the temple in the sanctuary, and actually throughout that visualization, I could smell the incense stick all over. I don't know from where it was coming. I could smell all the incense stick inside. Huh?
so
So I
that
was
was
like,
your divine presence na which came to you to help you to heal you that's what we did so every time आज किसी ने अगर पहली बार किया है तो शायद आपको सैंक्चुरी पता नहीं चलेगा या वो जगह आपको फील नहीं होगी लेकिन जैसे जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपका इनर सेल्फ आपको इतनी सारी मैजिकल चीजें दिखाएगा you will actually feel अभी like Ling Ling she keeps practicing Yoga Nidra every now and then so she will definitely feel connected to her divine presence and your body भगवान कहाँ है हमारे अंदर है ना God is within us. So that God is actually going to make us feel, that universe is going to make us feel so beautiful about our existence. We are not here to just do things. We are here to do meaningful, purposeful things in life. And at the same time be grateful also. Cool. Thank you, Ling Ling. You're always a sweetheart. Okay,
thank you,
thank you
ma'am.
so much for joining. Thank you. Thank you,
Ma'am,
everyone.
also
Thank you.
Bye-bye.